Police have busted a sex racket in Kalangut again. Police raided Club Virgin in the wee hours on Monday and rescued 14 girls involved in prostitution. 9 accused have been arrested in the case. The raiding team was led by Director General of Police Dr. Aditya Arya, along with the special team comprising of police personnel from GRP and IRB. District police were unable to curb this whole racket despite agitation by the locals.
There have been complaints in the past from the locals about sex rackets running in the Kalangut area. On Monday, DGP went ahead personally with his special team to bust this sex racket. Girls are rescued from the Club Virgin in the Kalangut. Police have arrested 9 accused. Some of them are from Goa, while some are natives of Orissa, Karwar, Hubli, Borivali and Madhya Pradesh. All the accused are charged under 3, 4 and 5 of Immoral Traffic Act. Police Inspector Sudesh Naik is investigating the case. The raid was conducted by Director General of Police Dr. Arya at 4 o'clock on Monday morning. DGP informed us that he formed the team after he got an anonymous call informing about the activity.
But as soon as this came, IG has instructed SP North to take action. Report has come to us that activities have been stopped. And yesterday at night around I think 11:30, late night, around midnight, somebody telephoned me from the Kalangut area who didn't identify himself. He never wanted to be identified. And he talked to me and was quite confident. I could make out as if he's challenging my integrity. Please, I'm not taking it that way, but what I'm trying to tell you that I found that person to be trustworthy when he's...
Earlier on 29 November, locals from Kalangut led by MLA Agnello Fernandes had robbed the Kalangut police station for not acting against the illegal activities in the nightclubs at Kalangut. All rescued 14 girls have been shifted to Apna Ghar at Mirse. It's surprising that instead of informing his subordinate police officers to act, DGP himself raided the club with police force from IRB and GRP under his supervision. A reporter from Panji Basuri Desai with reporter from Mapsa Shamsundar Fatte and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Kurtori MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo has opposed the proposed Shiroda to Rushall Bridge. He has also forwarded a resolution of the Panchayat demanding amendments in the RP 2021. Reginaldo informed media that CM has assured to rectify the plan.
We have made it very clear that we don't want the bridge in Rushall. So as per that, in the regional plan of Raya and Rushall, the bridge is not shown. It is very clear from the plans. Now, what Shiroda wants, village Shiroda wants is Shiroda people's concern. But what we want, we have put it on our regional plan. And we have made it very clear that there is no bridge coming there. There's going to be no bridge coming there. There could be mining vehicles coming there. There could be a lot of things coming there. Unnecessary disturbance. Our village is quiet. We are quiet and peaceful.
Reginaldo also informed media that he had a meeting with the CM and TCP officials regarding the amendments in the RP 2021. He said that CM has assured him to make necessary changes in the plan.
Some settlement areas were removed and some areas which were not in settlement were made settlement. Indirectly, I have said that fixing was done. We have not promoted a lot of settlement areas. We have not promoted a lot of things. In fact, I am one of the MLAs who have promoted agriculture. So I have made it very clear that whatever you do, don't do it. At least don't do what is not in the interest of the people. At least not in the interest of my constituency.
Earlier on Sunday, Rushall Panchayat in their Gram Sabha had objected to the width of roads shown in the RP. They claimed that many houses will get affected if the road is widened. People had also raised objection to the proposed Shiroda to Rushall Bridge. A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias. The lost glory of eminent Goan painter Angelo da Fonseca will now come alive through an exhibition of his paintings. The Xavier Center of Historical Research plans to bring into prominence this forgotten maestro by having an exhibition of his paintings. Fonseca, through his bold compositions, brought in the relevance of inculturation and was therefore considered the pioneer of modern Christian art in India.
The Porvorim-based Xavier Center of Historical Research has organized an exhibition of 25 selected paintings of eminent Goan painter Agnello da Fonseca. This is the first of the 3 Fonseca exhibitions which is planned by the center. The next 2 exhibitions will feature Fonseca's Lantern story, while the monsoon exhibition will cover other works. The center also plans to exhibit some of their other creations over the next 3 years.
He is the only one who gave his life for painting. The others, nobody does. They do a job or a work, or they've got some business and they've done it as a hobby, not as a real vocation. Whereas he did it as a vocation. He gave up medicine.
The Goa government definitely should recognize him because he's one of the most famous Goan artists. So I think definitely some award should come from the state government, and all the more because this is the 50th anniversary of Goa's liberation. So this is the right occasion, I think, that the Goa government should give him some award. And therefore this exhibition is part of that effort. Through the exhibition we are popularizing him, we are trying to make the people know his art, and we would also want the central government, whether posthumously we could award him a Padma Shri because he's also a great Indian artist.
The exhibition has been titled Agnello da Fonseca Christmas Story and has been curated by artist Savia Viegas from Carmon. The exhibition will be available for public viewing from 6 December 2011 to 6 January 2012 and will be open from Monday to Friday from 10 am to 5 pm. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Locals at Borda are annoyed with the PWD. They claim that the drinking water supply pipeline is leaking and water is getting mixed with the wastewater. They fear of epidemics in the area. Locals claim that even after a number of complaints, no authority has taken any action. They have given an ultimatum till 15th December or have threatened a roadblock. Have a look at this water supply pipeline. It's leaking. In these days of water shortage, huge amount of water is wasted. Moreover, this water gets mixed with wastewater and the same water is pumped in for consumption. United Goans Welfare Front has taken a serious cognizance of the matter. They claim that even after a number of complaints, the PWD officials have failed to address their grievances.
व्हडले मिनिस्टर MLAs आसा तांगेली बिलां आसतलीं खूब हांगा कोण फारीक करपाक वचना जे पळय कॉमन मॅन फारीक करता तांकां असली गटराचें उदक पिवपाक पडटा लिकेज आसता तातूंत भितर लूप करना वयल्यान हांवें एकट्याक आतां फोन केल्लो अशेंच लिकेज आसा म्हणून आनीक आय डि नॉट मेन्शन कोण म्हणून हांव असोच फोन केलो आनी ताका सांगलें बाबा म्हणलें अशें अशें आसा रे हांव कोण उलयतां हांवें म्हणलें एक पब्लीक उलयतां हो म्हाका सांग तुका जाय तें कर म्हणून दिस इज द एटिट्यूड ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट.
The front has now threatened to block the road if their demands are not fulfilled by December 15th.
All these things have to be immediately looked into. Otherwise, we are taking a drastic step to close down the road. That is the final decision what we have taken. By December 15th, if all these leakages are not plugged in and if this road is not done in a proper way, like this electric pole which is leaning so dangerously, yes, by maximum December 15th, we are giving the deadline, we are going to close the road.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.